Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to configure roles in your in-house sign templates. I'm currently in the in-house sign builder. The in-house sign builder is built on top of the Inhouz Cloud app builder, giving you the experience and giving you the power and the ability to build e-signature applications. So to configure roles, all you need to do is go into the in-house sign settings. And here you are. You can see on the first part, on the first page in the Documents tab, you can basically configure roles. So here I'm going to add a couple roles. I'm just going to add a role of boss. This role can sign, okay? And you have the different actions, right? You can sign, you can receive a signed copy, and you could view. All right. So this role can sign. One cool thing is that you can set default recipients. So if you had, an organization that you had certain people in certain roles, and you don't want to have to always maybe automate this process, or you want to just have like a default, you can create, default recipients and attach those to your roles. And what happens is that when this document is generated, this role's recipient will automatically default to the specified default recipient. Now, if you already have a recipient in, let's say, your workflow, that recipient will override the defaults. And if you're using the user interface, when you get to the recipients page, if you do have a default recipient, that recipient will appear, but you can change the recipient. I'm just going to toggle this off. I'm going to add another role, and I'm going to call this, let's say, employee. And let's say this role can also sign. So now we have two roles. If I save this and I go into my app data, as you can see, we have our roles in our app data, and now we can configure and bind these roles dynamically into our documents to prevent the need to do this manual process over and over again. All right, that's it for configuring roles. And this is a little bonus content. If I dragged and dropped an element, let's say an input, or let's just say a text field, because I want users to enter data, I can basically assign this to a role as simple as that. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.